Welcome to the video on how to connect your SBI account with TallyPrime using Connected Banking. To use Connected Banking, you need a valid TallyPrime license. Use TallyPrime Release 6 or above. You need a Tally.net ID enabled with Connected Banking. Ensure that the mobile number linked to your Tally.net ID should be the same as the mobile number registered with your SBI bank account. Connected Banking on TallyPrime is supported for SBI YONO Business current accounts and overdraft accounts. The SBI YONO Business account profiles supported are single user, multi-user with single admin and multi-user with multi-admin. Now let's see how to log in to Connected Banking on TallyPrime. From Gateway of Tally, click Exchange in the top menu. Select all banking options. Select Login and Logout. Enter the Tally.net ID. Now enter the password. If you're a first-time user, you will see the welcome screen for Connected Banking. Enter the mobile number to link with the Tally.net ID. Ensure that the mobile number linked to your Tally.net ID should be the same as the mobile number registered with your SBI bank account. View the terms and conditions and privacy policy pages which open on the web browser. Now, switch to TallyPrime and accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Verify with OTP. You have now successfully logged into Connected Banking. Now let's see how to connect your SBI single user account to TallyPrime. The process to connect your SBI single user account to TallyPrime is entirely digital. You need to initiate a new connection from TallyPrime. You will then be redirected to the SBI YONO Business portal and then complete the API banking application. After completing the steps on the bank portal, you will return to TallyPrime to refresh the status. Let's see this in action. To open the Bank Connections report, from Gateway of Tally, click Exchange in the top menu. Select all banking options. Click Bank Connections. To connect your SBI account, click F6 New Connection in the right menu. Select State Bank of India. You will see the Connect Bank screen. Here you can see the connection ID generated. You will need to enter the same in the bank portal. You can also view the detailed process on Tally Help by clicking the eye icon. Now click Connect. You will be redirected to the SBI YONO Business Bank portal. Log in with your bank credentials. On the left side menu, under Service Request, click API Banking. This will open the welcome screen for API Banking. Click the New Application tab. Select TallyPrime as the ERP provider. In the ERP provider unique ID field, enter the connection ID shown in the Connect Bank screen in TallyPrime. Then click Validate. Once you see the validated message in green text, enter your email ID. Now click Proceed. Select the API group as Payments. Now select all the individual APIs. Click Proceed. Review the limits and user details for API Banking. Click Proceed. Review the API Banking application, then accept the terms and conditions and then click Proceed. Enter the OTP and verify. You will get a success message. Click OK. New tabs will now appear in the API banking screen. Select the Account Details Sync with Aggregator tab. Click Sync Data with Aggregator. Then select the Token Management tab. Enter the expiry period as 365. This will ensure your bank connection is valid for 1 year. Click Generate Token. You will see a success message. Click OK. You can view the status in the Status tab. Click Proceed. Under the Token Management tab, click Sync Token with Aggregator. You will see a success message. Click the Status tab. You will see that all the steps are complete. Now, switch to TaliPrime. Click the Refresh Status button in the Connect Bank screen. You will see a message saying the connection with the bank is successful. You are now ready to operate your SBI account directly from TaliPrime using connected banking.